Namaste, welcome to Handmade, my YouTube account. My name is Sunny and my project for today is a Fabergé bug. I have seen this on Pinterest and I had to make it. It's so damn adorable. So let's create. I began with a journal rectangular mold with few wire pieces in it for legs. But I wouldn't need them because later I found a better substitute for bug legs. Now once I had this rectangular cast of plaster, I carved a base shape of the bug. So I've discovered that if I spray paint the plaster cast, it makes the cast harder and strengthens it. So that's what you see here on your screens. Next, I drew the motif on it, and with help of thick needle and a blade, I carefully carved the motif design on the bug. And now it's time to paint. From this experience, what I've learned is that I rather use spray paint for similar projects because acrylic paint made my carvings look clumpy and it looked so much better without it. But hey, I got to learn something valuable from this and I thought it's important to share. For the base, I have used a wooden block which I polished with varnish. I also added a metal tag on this base, and for the legs I have used glass beads and metal wire. And after all that, our Fabergé bug is done. I will see you guys soon with much more cute projects. Do take care, love and light, bye.